you all. I am Dr. Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SRS College of Technology. I am here to teach about the basic civil and mechanical in the mechanical engineering part. The first part we would have studied about the molding. The second part we are going to see now welding. Welding is nothing but joining similar kind of metals. We know what are metals. So silver, gold, steel, copper, these are metals. So if you are joining similar kind of metals, that is said to be welding. If you are joining metal with wood, that is not welding. That is not welding because wood is a different metal and material of silver is different material. So making joining of two similar kind of materials is said to be welding. So this welding is of majorly two types. One is fusion welding, another is plastic welding. The fusion welding is nothing but particular part we are heating and making it to mold and making it to join with another material based on the affinity of the another material. That is said to be the fusion welding. Plastic welding is nothing but welding in such a way that it is made to pressurized metals which are molten also. Based on pressure, it is joined with the other material. That is said to be the plastic welding. So these are of several types of that. Coming to the thermit welding, the name itself says that therm means heat. So based on the heat, the several types were declared by the welding experts. They are fusion welding, arc welding, submerged plasma, carbon electrode sludge welding. So coming to the next one, gas welding. So heating can be done by several ways. Gas is one of the cheapest way. So by adding the oxyacetylene chemical which will create some kind of heat gas that can be applied over one metal, that is welding one metal and which is joined with the other material. So that is it with the gas welding. Next is glass welding, which is explosive welding. We are applying some amount of electricity over the particular point. Due to apply of that particular point, which is making some different thin shape of the particular material, over that other material is pressed and it is joined. So like that, electric resistance, but part C, electric resistance which is applied for your jewel making, watches, jewel, these are very tiny particle having fanciness. Many designs can be done by using the electric resistance, but spot and C. This can be witnessed in your laboratory workshop when you are visiting for the laboratory section. So next is friction welding, next is forge welding. Let me explain with the sketch. These are the two gas welding. Gas shield is there, which is elaborated in another sketch. Oxyacetylene gas is applied in a particular metal. That particular metal is pressed and made into the welding process. So these two are the process of oxyacetylene gas, which is showing the different parts of that particular gas injector. Gas shield is there, and particular material weld which is making it there, and nozzle is there, and gun trigger and torch handle. These are the parts of the particular one. Next sketch. So here you can see two cylinders are used. One is acetylene and acetylene. Both are mixed together and supplied on the particular point or place where it is given heat and got melted and joined with another material. So in between a separate material is there which joins another material. After certain minutes, it will get cooled, which will compress in the nature of its material structure so that it will not release the other joined material. So because of that only we are getting very straight in window, door and your watch, jewelry, whatever we are making. So this is called gas welding. We can notice the parts, fuel gas cylinder, oxygen cylinder, needle valve, welding torch, and which is having the adjustment of how much pressure we can give from the regulator. So this new regulator says how much pressure is given of supply of the gas. Based on that, we can decide how much heat can be supplied over the particular point where we need the welding. Come to the next one. This gas welding, oxyacetylene welding, oxyhydrogen welding, air hydrogen welding. These three are the major gas welding. So these are the gas welding types and welding types which we have seen. So hope this welding lecture helps you for your further study. You go through from our further videos and get clarified in your next session. Thank you very much for your passion listening. Thank you.